So today I'd like to introduce a new project I was working on called Retrofit for Drupal. Retrofit for Drupal provides a compatibility layer for legacy Drupal code so it can run on any version of Drupal. So Drupal has this issue where Drupal 7 is becoming end of life and there's still a lot of sites that are running on it. But with this package, you can copy paste your Drupal 7 code and run it in Drupal 7. There's a little caveat, like you have to edit the info file, but I just want to do a quick demo to show what this project supports. So I'm going to go to Manage and Extend, and just to show, I have the block example module, form, and menu example module from the examples module. That's like developer examples. That was my baseline for testing. So if I search for example, they're showing up. I'm going to go ahead and turn on these three and demo some of the pages that they provide in their functionality. So while I wait for this to finish installing, I'm going to go to the form example because I think this is the coolest one. Tutorial number 7 adds a submit handler, and it should also have some form validation in place. And we'll walk through that one. So yeah, so forms work. So let's go to the tutorial. As you can see, here's the form with the submit handler. If we go back to the form, in this file, so it's in page arguments, this is the argument passed to Drupal get form, and it's in this form tutorial file. So if we go view it, let's go to function. So here we have the form handler, we have the year of birth, and we have a submit function. We have a validation, so also we'll test validation, and then the submit, which will show the values put in. Let's put, my name is Matt Glommen, birth date 1988 we'll put in, and if I click submit, there we go. We see the form has been submitted with my name and year of birth. So the form, this Drupal 7 code and form is working in Drupal 10, all because of this package. So let's go ahead and test the validation. So if it's greater than 2000, so let's just say 2022, I can just put some bogus values. And we'll see, enter a year between 1900 and 2000 with the error form down here. So we're able to run our Drupal 7 code in Drupal 10. Let's go see if the block shows up. So this module provides a few example blocks called configurable example text and uppercase. So let's go ahead and add that to the page. Let's see, where's content? Content above content, let's just place it there. So let's just do configurable string text. Block contents, let's save the block. Then let's go back to our site. And then here's our block being displayed as well. So the Drupal 7 code runs just fine in Drupal 10. And maybe this will help teams move off of Drupal 7 onto newer versions of Drupal. Because I don't think the problem is necessarily the data migration. I think it's all the business logic that's embedded in custom code, and the amount of effort needed to rewrite some of that code. And that's not necessarily the hard part, it's just so much time to go refactor these parts. So if this reduces that complexity by at least 40%, I think that'll give a lot of velocity and momentum for folks. So if you're interested in trying it out, you can do composer require mglommen/retrofit-Drupal, and let's get hacking and help support these sites to get off Drupal 7.